So you're here because you're thinking about getting one of these, the Klein Tools outlet tester. I just bought this not too long ago and I already needed it. So I bought my wife a new toothbrush, or I gave her my old toothbrush. Of course, I took the head off, but got her a new toothbrush, and I came in here to plug it up and get it ready for her because she's out of town right now. Oh my gosh, they make that so hard. But I wanted to have it set up ready for her to go, right? So get rid of that. And I missed the garbage can. But I wanted to have it all set up ready to go for her. And I come in here and I put it on and nothing happened. So I'm like, what is wrong? So I think I saw the red light was on, but I was like, I have my trusty dusty circuit tester or outlet tester. So you plug it in, and the first thing it tells you, if you're not getting any power to this, you can see right now it says 0, right? So I know that it works. I know that for some reason I'm not getting power, so I need to mess around with these switches. So I'm going to go ahead and push, bam. Once I reset that, and what was the other issue was the other plug that I had was defective. It didn't work. We have so many of these plugs, I just tossed it. I'm not going to even fuss about it. But as you can see, as soon as I hit that switch, we are now at 125 volts, and it lets me know that this is set up correctly, and it better be, because I pay like $900 to the electrician when we remodel the bathroom. We pay like $900 to an electrician to wire this outlet, so it better be hooked up correctly. But yeah, this is tool invaluable. And one thing I really love is when you pull it out, it holds it automatically. So let's say you plug it up in a spot where you can barely see. When you pull it out, you don't have to worry about that disappearing. It automatically holds it. And then if you need to reset it to use it again, you can just push to reset right here. But yeah, this tool, super valuable. I don't know how I went this long without it. I did have a cheaper version, or not Klein Tools, but like a knockoff brand that was like a $5 thing I bought off Facebook. But this is the top dog of them all. Highly recommended. Definitely something you need to have in your toolbox if you ever think you're going to be messing with electricity. Stay safe and you have a blessed day.